To create a sketch from an image, go to File and click Import. Here, browse for the file and click Open. You can edit the image settings anytime by double-clicking the image in the model tree. If needed, you can switch the plane, rescale, relocate, and make transparent the image. After the settings, click OK to close this dialog. Now let's create a sketch on this image. First, make sure that the Part Design workbench is active. Then click Create New Body. Then click Create New Sketch. Now select the XY plane, since this is the plane where your image has placed. Now you can use this image as a reference. Select the Polyline tool and trace the edges of the floor plan. Continue until the sketch is complete. Once you have finished tracing, hide the image in the model tree. Only the sketch remains visible.